told your friend you're not okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're taking a look at the journey of young actress Lyliana Wray. Lyliana was born on December 30th, 2004 in the United States. Her zodiac sign is Capricorn, and she is currently 20 years old. She stepped into the entertainment world at an early age and quickly proved her talent on screen. Her first big break came in 2016 when she played the role of Angel in the movie Maximum Ride, which introduced her to a wider audience as a promising child actress. After that, she continued to grow her career with guest appearances in well-known television series, gaining more experience and recognition in the industry. In 2022, she appeared in the hit action film Top Gun Maverick, where she played the daughter of Jennifer Connelly's character, bringing her even more visibility outside of acting. Lyliana is known for her caring nature and love for animals. She owns a dog named August Rex Wray and is currently training him to become a service dog. Thanks for watching.